Welcome to today's video where we're going to explore the fascinating world of machine learning. If you've ever wondered how Netflix knows what movie you'd like to watch next or how self-driving cars navigate, you've come to the right place. At its most basic, machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data, allowing them to make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Instead of telling the computer exactly what to do step by step, you feed it data and it learns patterns to make decisions. But how does this learning happen? There are several types. Supervised learning. Here, you give the computer labeled examples to learn from, sort of like teaching a child with flashcards. Unsupervised learning. In this case, you let the computer loose on your data without specific instructions, allowing it to find patterns and structures on its own. Reinforcement learning. This is more like training a pet. The computer learns by interacting with an environment and gets rewarded for good decisions and penalized for bad ones. You can see machine learning in action in many places today. Voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, even in medical diagnostics. And if you've heard of neural networks or deep learning, these are just specialized types of machine learning that are designed to handle extremely complex data. The potential for machine learning is massive, from scientific research to business and beyond. So, if you want to stay updated as we dig deeper into this topic in future videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.